This is a 71-year-old patient from South Korea that was hospitalised with a bad case of the flu back in 2020. Hospital staff treated this enduring infection with an influenza antiviral drug. But the virus changed in a way that prevented the drug from binding to its target on the virus, meaning the treatment would no longer work. So the hospital staff tried a different antiviral, one that targets a different component of the virus. But again, the virus became resistant, meaning both treatments would no longer work. And with no alternative antivirals and a weakened immune system, this patient sadly passed away after a 2-week battle with the virus. While this is only one patient, influenza viruses with antiviral resistance have the potential to spread and may one day result in a worldwide outbreak that cannot be treated with currently available antivirals. We hope one day we can treat influenza with a drug that the virus can't develop resistance against. That is why I'm testing a promising new drug that doesn't act like traditional antivirals, but instead targets a seemingly inconsequential protein within our cells, one that the virus needs to replicate. Think of the virus being an evil robot intruder into a factory, the factory being our cells. Once inside, this intruder hijacks the machinery to produce thousands of clones before blowing the place up, escaping with their army, and invading countless more factories. Our defences, current antivirals, act like booby traps, triggered upon specific contact, stopping the intruder in their tracks. But what if the intruder looks different? They can avoid detection and bypass these defences, as in antiviral resistance. So instead, we propose altering the factory's machinery in a way that keeps the factory running, but when the intruder comes along, they can only produce faulty, incomplete clones. So no matter how the intruder changes their appearance, in these altered factories, they cannot replicate themselves, putting an end to any more damage. If we can discover an effective antiviral compound that acts to limit viral replication by targeting our cellular machinery, we may be able to avoid resistance occurring during treatment, preparing us for the next outbreak of resistant viruses, but more importantly, saving the lives of patients like this one that need the support of next generation antivirals to fight the flu.